Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be replacing the strip knob in the shower stall. I purchased a knob from Home Depot and it's by a brand called Moen. It comes in a few different sizes, so if you go and pick one up, be sure to match it with the broken one you already have. And it comes with a washer and a screw, and that's the broken one. And here is the new one, and it has a protruding piece that's still attached, where on the old one it wasn't. As you heard, the water is now running, and that new knob was easy to replace. It comes with this decorative piece that snaps into place once you're done with the replacement. And thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe.